Hello student, today we are going to start the lesson number 4 part first measurement of matter. Then the last lecture the completed part second lesson number 6 classification of plants, then energy flow in an ecosystem, lesson number 8 harmful and useful microorganism, then lesson number 9 environmental management, and lesson number 10 is ICT. All these five topics are completed, five chapters are completed, all the video lectures are included. Now today's we are going to start part first lesson number first. We have to completed the laws of motion, then second work and energy completed, then third current electricity are completed, and now start the lesson number 4 measurement of matter. What is meant by matter? The matter means the matter is made up of from small teeny particles. It is called as an atoms, and all the discovery the scientists discovered the structure inside the structure of atom, and then scientists discovery the structure of atom, and then number of atoms. When two or more atoms they are chemically combined to formation of a different types of substances will form. Means when two or more substances will be formed and to formation of a new product also, and that time the chemical reaction, chemical composition of the substance can changes permanently, and it is also called as the chemical change, and it is called as chemical reaction. In 18th and 19th century the discovery of atoms, and then after discovery of atom, and when two or more different elements are chemically combined and to formation of a to formation of a new product, and this product will be changed in the state of composition, in the composition of matter is permanently, so it is called as the chemical change. And then starting and the to study and write the chemical formulae of different compounds of various compounds also, chemical formulae will be right. Now what is mean by law of chemical combination? Law of chemical combination means chemical means two or more substances they combine with each other, and the composition of matter will be changed permanently, so it is called as the chemical change. For example, milk said to curd. म्हणजेच तुम्ही जर बघितलं तर मिल्कचं कन्वर्जन जर आपण कर्ड मध्ये केलं तर कर्ड इज नॉट कन्वर्ट इनटू अगेन मिल्क, सो दिस चेंज विल बी permanently, and this change it is called as the chemical change. Then carbon is burned in presence of oxygen to formation carbon, and oxygen to formation of CO2 gas, so that time not CO2 is again reconverts into carbon and oxygen are separately, so that time this change it is called as the chemical change. In nature, in surrounding, different type of reaction, different type of substance they are chemically combined, and to formation of a this change is permanently, and this type of reaction, and it is called as the chemical reaction, chemical combination. And the composition of substance changes during a chemical change, and the fundamental experiments and is this regards were performed by scientists in 18th and 19th century. Means 18th and 19th century perform some experiment, perform a experiment in laboratory and study the chemical reaction. Now the Daltons, Rutherfords, Thomsons discovered atoms, and then after law of chemical combination, then after to form a law of chemical combination. And what is meant by law of chemical combination? When two or more different atoms, when two or more atoms they are chemically combined and with each other, and to form a new substance will be formed, and this change in the state of composition of this the change in the composition of matter is a permanently, it is called as the chemical change, and it is also called as chemical combination. Now the scientists write a chemical formula of a various compounds. So simple way, what is mean by a law of chemical combination? Law of chemical combination after the discovery of atom, and then after when two or more different atom chemically combine to formation of a compound, that compound properties also changes, so that time that properties will be changes permanently, so it is called as the chemical change. And the two or more substances, they chemically combine, and in chemically combine with each other, and this combination, it is called as the law of chemical combination. Now second law we have to study, a law of conservation of matter. What is mean by law of conservation of matter? We take one activity. In activity, take a one conical flask, and that conical flask, to take a calcium chloride, one chemical substance, and another test tube, put inside test tube, and that test tube fill sodium sulfate, another substance, another chemical substance. Then before the addition, two chemicals, conical flask, test tube, and two chemicals, firstly weighing before the addition. So that time, that after before the addition, so that time that they put or take on a weight box, and that sample of the two compounds and a conical flask test tube is the weight is 300.23 grams. And after addition, so test tube, they are rotate they are rotate and then mix with sodium sulfate inside the conical flask. So that time after addition, so after addition, both chemicals are chemically combined with each other, and then after chemically combined, and then to measure the to weighing the this chemical weight, it is also after addition, the weight of after addition, the chemicals, test tube, conical flask, all the weights are same as it is the before addition and after addition, both weight are the same, and hence here clear that before the addition and after the addition, so number of atoms are same, number of atoms are same. In a chemical reaction, the weight of reactant is same as weight of reactant is same to the weight of product, same as it is to weight of product, weight of the same weight of the product atom. So it is called as the law of conservation of matter. Means after before addition and after addition, the reactant atom do not a gain and do not a lost, nor a gain nor a lost. Means before addition, after addition. So number of atom means during a chemical, after the chemical reaction, number of atom left hand side and right hand side. Reactant always right hand side, left hand side, and product always form in right hand side. So that time both the atoms of the reactant and product will be same, and hence it is called as the law of conservation of matter. Conserve means before and after addition. So atom number will be left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side reactant atom and right hand side product atom will be same by weight. It is called as the law of conservation of matter. We take one example, calcium chloride and sodium sulfate, both are the reactant. So Ca is always plus charge, Cl2 minus charge, Na2 plus, SO4 minus. They are chemically combined with each other, and to formation of a Ca is reacted with SO4, and then Na is reacted with Cl, and CaSO4 is the main product, and in the beaker we have to white substance will be formed in that in that conical flask. So it is called as the new substance will be formed, and that substance, it is also called as the CaSO4, means calcium sulfate. The product will be formed Ca plus SO4 minus plus. Here number of atoms sodium also 2, and here Cl also 2. So Na and Cl both are react with each other and to formation of a salt NaCl. But here number of atoms sodium also 2 and Cl also 2. So coefficient here write 2 NaCl. Number of atom twice Na twice Cl also. So that time calcium sulfate. So precipitate are formed, and that precipitate is a calcium sulfate, is the white color. So that time we take we write one chart element in reaction. How many elements are react in this reaction? Left hand side reactant atom, LHS, reactant atom, LHS, which atom? Reactant atom. And right hand side product atom, product atom. So that time left hand side and right hand side reactant and product atom. Here how many elements are take part in chemical reaction? Ca also, then Na also, Cl also, S also, and number of atom of the O also in take part whole reaction. Ca atom are there, sodium also are there, Cl also, sulfur also, and oxygen. So both the in a reactant atom LHS and RHS, left hand side reactant, LHS is the reactant atom. How many calcium here? Left side Ca. How many Ca are there? Left side also one Ca atom, right side also one Ca atom. Then Na. How many Na atom here? Left side 2 Na and right side also 2 Na. Then Cl also how many atoms here? Left hand side 2 Cl and here also 2 Cl, means 2 2. Then sulfur here 1 atom and here right side also 1 atom. Then oxygen here 4 atom and also in product right hand side also 4 atom, means both the atom, means left hand side reactant atom and right hand side product atom, both the atoms of all the atoms left hand side and right hand side in a chemical reaction all are the same, and hence same means constant, so it is called as the law of conservation of matter. Before and after addition the number of atoms are same, so it is called as the law of conservation of matter. What is meant by law of conservation of matter? In a chemical reaction, the total weight of the reactant in a chemical reaction, in a chemical reaction, total weight of reactant, total weight of the reactant is same कशासारखा is same as the total weight, as the total weight of the product in a chemical reaction, are called काय म्हणायचं त्याला, are called law of conservation of matter. We have discussed here. What is mean by law of conservation of matter? In a chemical reaction, the weight of reactant atom same as it is the weight of product atom, all are the same. It is called as the law of conservation of matter. Here discuss two topic: law of chemical combination and law of conservation of matter. What is mean by simple way law of chemical combination? Two or more two atoms they have chemically combined to form a product, to form a reaction. It is called as a combination. And what is mean by law of conservation of matter? Before and after addition of atom, left hand side and right hand side, left hand side reactant atom and right hand side product atom, both the atoms are same, both the atoms are conserved, so it is called as the law of conservation of matter.